5 AI tools every lawyer, every firm needs to be using in 2025
that we hear about all the time. They are practical tools that you can implement within weeks and start seeing results lightning fast. Before we dive in, let me set one expectation. This isn't about replacing lawyers or doing your job for you. It's about giving you or the attorneys that work for you superpowers to do what you already do, but better, faster, less expensive, 10 times higher quality, whatever it may be that you are doing. The firms that get this are the ones that are eating market share while everyone else is still debating whether AI is safe to use or which AI tool to use. You have to dive in. You have to take a leap of faith. So our first tool on the list, CoCounsel. What is it? What does it do? A GPT-powered AI legal assistant that is something that most firms used to dream of years ago. It can handle substantive legal tasks like document review, legal research, and drafting. We hear about attorneys that literally upload documents or case files, ask CoCounsel to summarize it, and get something better than they've ever seen before, and faster, immediately. And they can use this to start drafting a memo or a brief with support. It's like having a virtual junior attorney, or not a virtual junior attorney, but 50 virtual junior attorneys that research at lightning speed and can do contract analysis and depot prep and more. Well, why it matters? Because it dramatically reduces the time you're spending on not growing your firm or not servicing your client. You may also now be able to take on more work. Have you ever referred cases because you just have this feeling of my plate is full? Well, imagine if your plate just got bigger. That's what CoCounsel can do. It creates more time for you to do value creation, quick implementation, usage guide. Use it on a low risk task to start. Build your trust with it. For instance, use it to summarize a long case document or research a legal question you're working on. Many firms began piloting it in 2024 as an AI co-pilot. So even a solo or small firm can upload a document and try this out quickly. CoCounsel's from Thomson Reuters suite of products. So if you go to Thomson Reuters site, you can get started right there. One little bonus that's really cool about CoCounsel, if you have Westlaw or Practical Law, you can actually integrate them and it can feed off what you're doing in one to the other. We've heard of amazing workflows where they're synthesized. Tool number 2, obviously we have to talk about FirmPilot, the only tool to do what it does. Everything that traditional marketing delivers, from blog content to website optimization to PPC to link building to Google Business Profile and social media and on and on and on. The difference is it's not guessing, it's data. The data that tells us what ranks and what doesn't. The data that tells us how not just to survive a Google algorithm update, but to thrive. We look at them as opportunities. The data that shows us how to rank in ChatGPT, that's what's going into crafting your content and optimizing your site. A quick implementation and usage tip. If you use FirmPilot, we share this with every client, start with one thing. You try to be the expert in nothing, you become the master of none. Become the leading authority, the firm that gets the cases in a niche and expand. I won't spend more time talking about FirmPilot. Obviously, I'm a huge fan of our platform, our proprietary models that's focused on getting firms more clients, not just creating content that looks pretty, but grows. Tool number 3, EvenUp. Love these guys. They've created something really special. It's an AI-driven, almost all-purpose platform built for personal injury firms. It handles drafting demand letters to legal documents to summarizing medical records. And their new AI draft suite can generate demand packages, complaints, medical summaries, negotiation briefs, and more, and so quickly and so accurately. And the reviews we hear from our clients that use it at conferences, 10 out of 10. So we're big fans of what they're doing. Think of it as smart workflows that are acting as intelligent case managers. So what would be highly expensive and you should have humans doing, but now you can give those case managers superpowers to turn one case manager into 10, 15, 20, literally multiply your firm with the click of a button. Why it matters? Well, it's a game changer. If you are growing because of marketing or because of merging, whatever it may be, so is the work. The work your firm has to do is going to multiply. And if you scale, it's not one-to-one. You have to grow exponentially. You have to scale. So that's why tools like EvenUp that help a small firm overnight operate like a mid to large size firm are absolute game changers. And we've even heard stories of it helping produce over 7 billion in injury claims. So the proof is there. Tool number 4, AI contract drafting and reviewing. It integrates directly into Microsoft Word. We love what they do. They kept it super simple. They don't make you move somewhere else. It's similar to how We don't make you go to a different website builder. Keep it simple. If it's not broke, don't try to fix it. We keep clients in WordPress, the gold standard for websites. They do the same thing. Microsoft Word, built in there, it understands the language. It understands how to redline. It understands how to comment on potential risks and improvements, all within Word's track changes. So it makes it so easy. And what's really cool is you can interact. You can ask it questions. Why did it make this change? Or should this clause be removed? And you can use it right in the tool you've been using for decades. Word. You don't have to make this huge change management pivot at your firm. Why this matters? Well, if you're a solo or small firm that is cranking out contracts, we know how redundant that can be. And that is a huge bottleneck. You are not just an attorney. You own the firm. You're the CEO. And if you're reviewing contract after contract after contract at the traditional speed, you're going to get left behind. So if you can accelerate that and cut 20, 30, 40% of that time across hundreds, thousands of contracts that you review, that's massive. What is your time worth? We ask that question all the time. A quick implementation or usage tip for Spellbook, they give a free trial. Sign up, get started, feel it out for yourself. Don't just take our word for it. Last but not least, tool number 5 on our list, Cleo Duo. If you didn't catch Jack Newton's keynote on Cleo Duo at Cleo's conference, watch it. Think of it as a really, really smart, really, really fast legal assistant that literally lives in your software, lives in Cleo. So yes, you have to use Cleo to use it, but imagine you open up the software that you spend all your time in, your team spends all this time in, and you can ask it a question and bam, it's there. It knows your cases, it knows your leads, it knows your clients, it knows your team, it knows your firm, and turns your entire database into Q&A. But it goes beyond Q&A because Cleo Duo literally acts as an employee of your firm. You can hire an employee that is trained on your case management system tomorrow. And for a fraction of the price, you can tell it to create a task, draft a bill entry, schedule a calendar event, even generate an email or a text to a client, all integrated and living within the system that your team eats, sleeps, and breathes. Cleo. Why does it matter? Well, so many people watching this video are probably using Cleo already. If your data is living in a system, why wouldn't you want to move it faster? Have it be cleaner and more up to date? Not bogging down the employees that you need. Yes, you need them to keep it up to date, but allow them to do it more efficiently rather than a more traditional manual way. Duo surfaces the information that used to take a little bit more time in seconds. We can move at lightning speed. It can prioritize your tasks for you because it knows your firm. Most importantly, it allows you to focus on high value work. Why does Cleo Duo matter? Well, if you can eliminate or even shrink those manual tasks that you have to do at your firm into seconds or just a couple of minutes a day, you have so much more time to do high value work. The work that is growing your firm. It's like hiring 10 assistants and a piece of software, and it keeps you accountable. It knows your entire case management system. It doesn't allow things to fall through the cracks, such as clients, leads, cases, matters that need to be attended to. If you're already a Cleo user, it's actually enabled in your account. It launched in late 2024. Ask your account manager. They'll help you get the most use out of it. That's what Cleo account managers are there for. That's our quick list. 5 AI tools you need to be using, at least trying, because every week you wait is another one of your competitors, another firm you're competing with that is using them to do better marketing and get clients that you could have gotten, better service clients and becoming known, building a better reputation, or operating more efficiently. Other firms are going to refer them clients. You have to take the leap of faith. AI is here. There's no arguing, and it's not leaving. So get started today. We're going to drop links to a lot of these tools. Obviously, you can go to FirmPilot.com, learn more about ours, tool number 2, and we'll put out more videos like this. So please like and subscribe. Thanks.